ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ቻናችን ተከታታዮች ዛሬ በፓርት 4 ዩኒት 1 ተገናኝተናል። አሜሪካን ሲቪል ዋር ነው የምናየው። ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ ቪዲዮ ማድረግ እንዳረሱ። አሜሪካን ሲቪል ዋር was fought from 1861 to 1865 ለአራት ዓመት የተደረገ ጦርነት ነው between northern state እና አሜሪካ and that of southern ማለት ነው። The northern state of America is known as Union ይባላሉ። The southern state of America is known as Confederates ይባላሉ። በኮንፌዴሬት እና በዩኒየን መካከል የተደረገ ጦርነት ነው ማለት ነው in America. So ዩኒየኖቹ ወይ ደግሞ ኖርዘርኖቹ wanted to abolish slavery from America ይፈልጋሉ። slavery abolition of slavery ነው የሚፈልጉት። whereas the Confederates wanted to keep slavery at the former base of their economy. So ስሌቭ ይፈልጋሉ ኮንፌደሬንሲዎች፣ ዩኒየኖቹ ደግሞ አቦሊሽን ኦፍ ስሌቨሪ ነው ፈልጉ። ስለዚህ ዋት ዘ ዲፈረንስ ሶ ዘ ቤዚክ ኬዝ ፎር ዘ አሜሪካን ሲቪል ዋር ኢዝ ኢኮኖሚክ ዲፈረንስ ነው ማለት ነው። ኢኮኖሚክ ዲፈረንስ ቢትዊን ዘ ኖርዝ ኤንድ ዳት ኦፍ ሳውዝ። ሞስት ኦፍ ፋይቲንግ ቱክ ፕሌስ ኢን ሳውዝ ሊቪንግ ሳውዘርን ስቴት ዴቫስቴትድ ዘ ሴዲንግ ሳውዘርን ስቴትስ did not aim to take over United States government, rather they want to declare themselves as independent ማለት ነው። So እነዚህ አሁን differentiate between the northern and southern state. For example, the region of growing cities and industry ያደገበት northern state. This is the semi-modern plantation system dominated few powerful slaves holders ናቸው። ይሄ ባሪያ ንግድ ላይ ተሰማሩ ባለሀብቶች ናቸው። This one is mixed economy, farming, small business factory አላቸው። The most agriculture dominated by large plantation and little industry ነው ያለው። ኢንዱስትሪያላይዝድ ያልሆነም በአጠቃላይ የሳውዘርኑ believed slavery was unfair competition for business and factory owner because slave did not have to be paid. ስለዚህ slavery ላይ unfair ነው የሚሉት እነዚህ። ይሄ ደግሞ slavery ተቃራኒ ነው። believe slavery was natural and that modern factory and capitalist business made white worker into wage slave ነው። ስለዚህ this is a difference or political or economic difference between the Confederacy and that of Union ማለት ነው። For nearly a century, the people and politicians of the northern and southern state had been clashing over economic interests. This economic interest is the basic case for their conflict. Cultural value, the power of federal government to control states, the most importantly slavery. This issues eventually lead to the civil war. Slavery, economic difference ወደ ጦርነት ሊድ ያደረጋቸው። ሳውዘርን ኢኮኖሚክ ዲፔንድ ሜንሊ ኦን ካተን። ሳውዘርኖቹ ጥጥ በማምረት ምናምን ላይ ነው። The while plantation owner in the southern state viewed slavery as essential for their survival. slavery በጣም ክሩሻል አድርገው ነው የሚመለከቱት። As the economy of the northern was based more on the industry than agriculture. ከአግሪካልቸር ይበልጥ ምን ላይ ነው የሚያተኩሩት? ኢንዱስትሪ ላይ ነው የሚያተኩሩት ኖርዘርኖቹ። They hired people as factory worker, low wage, thus reducing the need for enslaved people in the north. ስለዚህ ስሌቭን ይቃወማሉ ማለት ነው ኖርዘሮቹ። This economic disparity lead to opposing difference in society and political views in the north. The influence of immigrants contribute to society in which people different culture class lived and worked together. The southern, however, continued to hold on to social order based on white supremacy in both private and political life. Many in the north came to view slavery as not just socially unjust, but morally wrong እንደሆነ ያውቃል። socially unjust, morally wrong እንደሆነ። in north ግን በኖርዝ ተቃራኒ ኖርዝ there was strong anti-slavery movement known as abolitionism የሚባለው አለ። በቃ anti-slavery movement. The term abolitionist generally refer to dedicated opponent of slavery in the early 19th century in America. In the 1830s, the movement gathered some momentum. Some famous leaders of the movement were William Lloyd Garrison, Frederick Douglass, አብርሃም ሊንከን ወደ ስልጣን ሲመጡ ኢሚዲየት ኬዝ ፎር ዘ አሜሪካን ሲቪል ዋር ማለት ነው። አብርሃም ሊንከን ሆን presidential election in the year 1860 1860 ላይ ወደ ስልጣን ሲመጡ that immediate case for the American war civil war ይባላል ማለት ነው። ወዲያ ነው ወደ ጦርነት የገቡት አብርሃም ሊንከን ሲመረጥ ወደ ምርጫ ሲመጣ ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትር ሲሆን ፕሬዝዳንት ሲሆን ማለት ነው። so he amended the constitution law Lincoln and the Republicans promised to prevent the spread of slavery into newly incorporated territory። ስለዚህ አብርሃም ሊንከን የማን የዩኒየኖች ፓርቲ ውስጥ ነበር ያለው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ስሌቨሪን ይቃወማል። he prevent the spread of slavery shortly after the election of Abraham Lincoln 11 southern ስቴቶች አሉ አይደለ ሳውዘርን የሚባሉት ሳውዘርን ስቴቶች ራሳቸውን ኢንዲፔንደንት ነን ብለው ወጡ ማለት ነው። ኮንፌዴሬንሲ ብለው ራሳቸውን ሊድ ባይ ጄፈርሰን ዳቪስ የነሱ ፕሬዝዳንት ነበር። ሪች ፕላንቴሽን ኦነር ነው and declare session this resulted in 1861 outbreak of civil war which ended in 1865 ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በሳውዘርን በኩል ጄፈርሰን ዳቪስ አለ፣ በኖርዝ በኩል ደግሞ አብርሃም ሊንከን አለ። in January 1863 ሊንከን ኢሹስ ስለዚህ አብርሃም ሊንከን ሁለት አዋጆችን አወጀ። አንደኛው ኢማንሲፔሽን ፕሮክላሜሽን የሚባለው ነው። ሁለተኛ ደግሞ ሆምስቴድ ሎ። ኢማንሲፔሽን ፕሮክላሜሽን ማለት ሁሉም ስሌቭ ነፃ ናቸው ብሎ ነው አወጀው። ሆምስቴድ ሎ ማለት ደግሞ እያንዳንዱ ሰው መሬት የማግኘት መብት አለው በአሜሪካ ላይ። freed slave in those parts in a country that rebelled against the United States. Later amendments were made to constitution that strengthened the principle of equality. This was turning point in American Civil War. ሁለቱ አዋጆች ከታወጁ በኋላ ሰዎች ወደ ከአሜሪካ ኖርዝ ከሳውዝ አሜሪካ ወደ ኖርዝ አሜሪካ ሄዱ። ምክንያቱም ስሌቭ አር ፍሪ ስለሚል ኢማንሲፔሽን ፕሮክላሜሽን ስሌቭ አር ፍሪ ስለሚል many slaves from southern states flocked to the northern join federal army join ያደረጉ ማለት ነው። the last confederation surrender occurred on November 1865 ፕሬዝዳንት አብርሃም ሊንከን 1865 ላይ ኮንፌዴሬንሲዎችን ካሸነፉ በኋላ በጆን ዊሊያም ቡዝ የሚባል ሰውዬ ዊኪስ ቡዝ የሚባሉት አዛውንት ናቸው፣ ትልቅ ሰው አብርሃም ሊንከን was shot by him. So Confederate sympathizer on April 14 1865 ላይ ጦርነቱ ያበቃል ማለት ነው። so the result of the American Civil War ስናይ ደግሞ December 6 1865 the 13th amendment was adopted which officially outlawed slavery ሙሉ በሙሉ ጠፍቷል። abolition of slavery. so the collapse of plantation economy in the southern part plantation economy collapse ሆነ። the rise of industrialization in northern America larger city centers development of infrastructure such as railway trade or babur bank factories in the southern part of USA. however progress was slow ቀስ በቀስ እያለ ዴቨሎፕመንት ካፒታሊዝም እና ኢንዱስትሪያላይዜሽን ተስፋፋ ማለት ነው። this is the result of American Civil War. The constitutional change acts as point of departure in the struggle for equal and civil and human rights. constitutional change ሆነ ተሻሻለ ህገ መንግስቱ። አብርሃም ሊንከን was dead shot by John Wiki. so this is the result of the Civil War of America and the spread of capitalism in the northern America. so subscribe, share, like video ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ።